Caesar or French Crew. There are a bunch of different names, but basically it's a high fade style that's a little bit fringy and messy on top. And the thing that I love so much about this style, it works great for guys with thick hair, but it also works amazing with guys that have thin hair or a receding hairline. The key and the trick for this style to look amazing is texture. Lots and lots of texture. When you go in to see a stylist, what I'd ask for is some type of razoring, which means he's going to go in there, thin it up, and make it a lot more like PC separation. Now, in terms of a product, definitely use a pre-styler like a sea salt spray. This is going to add a lot more volume, a lot more texture, a lot more PC separation. And then for product, you've really got two different options depending on your hair type and texture, right? If you've got thick hair, I would definitely go with a putty. It's going to be a high hold, low shine product, right? Work it in, emulsify real great. It's going to hold all day, but you're still going to have the ability to come in and actually mess it up and just give it a little more texture. Now, if you're somebody that has thin hair, fine hair, I would definitely rock some type of a hair clay. The clay is going to be a little bit lighter in texture, but it's still going to have a nice matte finish and a bit of hold.